Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your device supports Google Assistant and is on Wi-Fi. This ensures low latency. Open the Google app, sign into your account, then enable Assistant. Do this now so you can proceed. Next, grant microphone permission and run voice match. This trains Assistant to recognize you. Once done, set the preferred language and choose a voice option. These steps are necessary because Assistant needs account context, microphone access, and a trained voice profile to respond aloud. Now configure how Assistant actually speaks. Open Assistant settings, tap voice or speech output, and make sure speech output is enabled. This forces spoken replies instead of just text. Adjust the Assistant volume and pick a voice that matches tone and clarity. Voices vary in verbosity. Then, customize routines or response settings so Assistant gives fuller spoken answers when you need them. Use longer dialogue in routines for detailed steps. Make sure to save changes so your Assistant speaks consistently. Finish by testing and automating. Say, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" and listen for a full spoken reply. Try a custom routine to confirm longer output. Once tests pass, create routines or broadcast messages so Assistant speaks at scheduled times or on triggers. If you encounter silence, check Do Not Disturb, speaker volume, and app microphone permissions. Also update the Google app and reboot the device. If problems persist, disable then re-enable Assistant and rerun voice match to refresh voice settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.